Hey guys, welcome to the hamster channel, and in today's video I'll be showing some good extensions. And I didn't post in a long time because I was on vacation, but now I'm back. So okay, let's start now. So these good extensions are all free, so you don't need to pay money or things like that. So the good extension, like they're for only like Google Chromebook or Chrome OS. And right now you see my operating system looks different because this is Chrome OS. Video I would link down below and in the description, and you can see like how I did this. So yeah, let's start. So first you go to Chrome Web Store. And you click on the first link. And here it is. There's all kind of extensions here, but I will show you the one that I think it's useful in my opinion. So yeah, so the first one it's called full page screen capture. That one is just like for screenshots, like for your whole screen. So yeah, so we're gonna type in full page screen capture. Oopsie, I spelled it wrong, but yeah, this one it is. The first one, add extension. That's just like a welcome note thing. And you just press it, and it's just gonna like take the screenshot for you. And this is the screenshot. Your mouse and things not here, only like for like this part, I guess, like only for yeah. And you could edit, delete image, you could download it, of course, like all that things like that. And then the second one is weather. So sometimes like you want to check out the weather, like, but like you're too lazy to like maybe get up and grab like your phone to check, or something else to check the weather. You could just check on the computer. It's really easy to. So just typing weather. The first one, yeah, this one, and let's just. This is the weather. It's loading for you, and today it looks like it's gonna rain today. And here it's some questions you could ask too, like, but is it going to rain? That's just like a line for it. And what is temperature and stuff like that. And there's also like your options, like you can have a Celsius or Fahrenheit, and the location of it. Yeah, and you could save it. That's the weather. Then it's this one is for print, like to print stuff. So it's called Print Friendly. And PDF. The first one, this one. So for this one, you want to right click, and you want to press the first one, Print Friendly and PDF. And that's like it would take you to this page here, and when you press it, you could just print. You could print from your Gmail, PDF, or you could just print. So the next one is called Mind Map. This one is like for brainstorming or just like getting your ideas in there. Like it's a great extensions. I don't really use it often, but I think it's still good. Like yeah. First one is this one. Add it. Should be adding. Yes, checking. Okay, there it is. Should be here. This is mind map, and for this one, just brainstorming. For example, you wanna like write like there's all kinds of things here like icons and color for it, and all these layout, shape, values, stats, and things like that. You could color it, of course. For example, I'm gonna write something. I'm gonna write video. Oops. Oh my gosh. Then you can right click. You could do insert a sibling or insert like, something like that. So like, I don't know what that is, but you could zoom it in, you could move it anywhere and stuff like that. And of course you could save it, I think. And you can like just do that and just do your thing here. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's a pretty good extension. And then for the final one, for this one is that you want to have like the Microsoft Office, like for example Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, but they cost money. But you don't want to spend money on it, but I have an idea for you if you don't know this. So on Google, it's like already downloaded for you. It's so you want to press Google Apps. Google Apps there it is, and here we have Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Google Docs it's for Word, and Google Sheets is for Excel, and Slides is for PowerPoint. So don't worry, they're all the same. You could of course save it. So then we have Google Meet. Google Meet is for video conferencing, and it's just similar to Zoom. They're both like that conferencing, and you can you can like call with your teacher or things like that. And of course we have Drive. Drive here, like you can like it's a cloud. Drive is like a cloud space on the internet. You can like edit or save files anywhere. Like if you like write like Google Docs and Sheets and Site, you could like if you did something to them. I mean, not did like write something in the docs, it would just automatically save it to Drive. They're kind of like connected, I guess, like that. And that's all. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share to your family or something like that. Bye.